Hi, we are five in my family. My wife, Veronica, is a wonderful woman and a dedicated mother. Dylan is my oldest son. He is more obedient than my other son. My son Jose is the middle son. He is the naughtiest and he most charming and the most charming and then have another child is it is he is Ezra. He's so cute. He is always with us. Always is following us. He he is the younger. He's younger than Jose. I'm wearing a red T-shirt and a headset and white shorts, and that's all I'm wearing. This weekend, I will take a walk with my family in the park while eating some snacks and I will let my sons to play in the park. Then on Sunday I will be going to the church. For Christmas I was working for 8 hours. Then we shared presents and went to the park. My favorite place is the church because I like to be with my friends and brethren in activities or servicing them. That's all. Thank you.